Today is Wednesday, February 19th. This is 1976 Cadillac and Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM stereo radio with the 8-track player. I'm doing a complete restoration on this for my friend Greg. And after I've successfully restored the 8-track player, I've removed the entire head in order to engage the AM/FM switch. This is what the AM/FM switch looks on the outside, which slides back and forth. Okay, and this unit was frozen, as was the tuning knob. So neither the tuning knob nor the AM/FM was functioning. So finally, after a lot of work, we've got the tuning knob freely functioning quite nicely. Okay, these are the guts of the AM/FM stereo radio, which you will never see, of course, because it's covered over by the 8-track tape head. And as you can see, this is the AM/FM switch, and it now clicks very nicely back and forth. Okay, which on the outside is facilitated by this switch here. So I'm going to continue to do some additional work to it, and the unit has been cleaned, completely disassembled and cleaned, and I'm going to go ahead and lubricate it now before I start reassembling the assembly of the AM/FM stereo radio. This is the original General Motors Cadillac Delco AM/FM stereo radio with integrated 8-track player, facilitated right through the faceplate of the unit. So as more progress goes along, I'll make additional videos. This is George in Florida. Today is Wednesday, February 19th. Thank you very kindly.